In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Slack on all devices, 2026 step-by-step security tutorial. If you've ever used Slack on a shared computer, borrowed a phone, or switched to a new device, it's a good idea to make sure old sessions are closed. Signing out everywhere helps protect your messages and files, and it only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it from inside Slack, and I'll point out what to expect along the way so nothing is confusing. Start by opening Slack and heading to your workspace home. You can do this from the desktop app or your web browser. The steps look the same. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or initials there. Click that area to open your profile panel. In the panel that appears, choose Profile. This brings up your full profile view inside Slack, which is where the option we need becomes accessible. At the top of your profile, find the three-dot menu, the overflow menu that reveals more actions. Click those three dots to open the additional options. From that menu, select Account Settings. Slack will open your account settings in a browser tab. Depending on your organization's security setup, you might be asked to confirm your identity before you proceed. That's normal. Just follow any on-screen prompts, and you'll land on the settings page tied to your account. On the Account Settings page, scroll to the section that lists your active sessions. Here, you'll see where your account is currently signed in, such as other browsers, desktop apps, or mobile devices. Click Sign Out All Other Sessions. When you confirm, Slack will immediately revoke access for those other devices and browsers. In most cases, the session you're using right now to perform this action will remain active so you can finish your work. Everywhere else, Slack will close, and if someone tries to reopen it, they'll be prompted to sign in again. A quick note: if your workspace uses single sign-on, you'll still see this option, and it will still end your Slack sessions elsewhere. Just keep in mind that your identity provider may prompt you to sign in again as part of your organization's security policy. That's it. You've successfully signed out of Slack on all other devices. This is a great habit after traveling, using a public or shared computer, or anytime you notice a session you don't recognize. Repeat it whenever you want to reset your active logins and keep your account secure.